Hello viewers, welcome to Tech AI, your ultimate destination for exploring the cutting-edge world of artificial intelligence and music. Here, we dive deep into fascinating topics like crafting AI cover songs that redefine creativity, exploring the intricate process of generating AI-generated music compositions, and mastering the art of creating lifelike AI voices. Join us as we blend technology with artistry to push the boundaries of what's possible with AI and music. So stay tuned and embark on a journey. Let's get started. Firstly, I'll be showcasing the top AI song generators that can whip up incredible tunes in few minutes. Best of all, these tools are completely free to use, so let's unleash your creative flow. First up on our list is VoiceMod. This powerhouse tool lets you generate songs with just a few clicks. Simply head to voicemod.net, navigate to Text to Song, and click Generate Song for free. Choose from a variety of tunes, select your preferred voice, and paste your lyrics. Don't have lyrics yet? No problem. Generating them is easier than ever with tools like ChatGPT. Just go there, specify your song details, and create personalized lyrics in seconds. Once you have your lyrics ready, paste them into VoiceMod and click Create. Your song will start processing, and soon enough, you'll have your masterpiece ready.
In the valley flow where shadows creep, I find my soul in the darkest, but on the hill so high where dreams take flight, I touch the sky bathed in golden light.
To download. Whether you prefer audio or a lyrical video, VoiceMod has you covered. Next on our lineup is Songr, a tool that streamlines the music creation process with remarkable simplicity. Let's explore how effortless it is to use. Head over to Songr and select your desired genre. Then, simply paste the lyrics you've prepared, perhaps from your ChatGPT session, and click Render.
In the valleys low where shadows creep, I find my soul in the darkest deep. But on the hill so high where dreams take flight, I touch the sky bathed in golden light.
When you're ready to save your creation, just click the download button, choose your preferred format. Your song will be saved directly to your computer. Experience the ease and efficiency of AI-powered music generation with Songr. Intuitive, quick, and perfect for anyone looking to explore the intersection of technology and music. Next, step forward to the third one-song creator AI, which is Suno. Head over to it, click on Create. Here you'll put the song description, that which type of song you want. It will automatically create lyrics for you. Here your two songs are ready. Let's check this one.
Life that spins around, up and down we go.
After you're satisfied with this, click on the three dots, then go to Download, and you will download it in two different formats, which you want to. Finally, our last tool is Cover.ai. Here, you will create your own AI songs, covers in different legendary voices like cricketers, politicians, etc. Simply click Enter. Here you get the steps. Choose or upload the song. Here you can upload the song which to want to convert in different voice. It could be in both MP3 or MP4. Next, select the voice according to you that which celebrity you want, and enter your email. After that, check the Policy tab and let go. After this, it will send your song to your mail within a minute.
Take a breath, find your strength. Troubles fade, hearts will mend. Lose your way.
If you're interested in incorporating AI-generated music into your projects, such as podcasts, videos, or other creative endeavors, there are several innovative tools you can use. Here's we will rundown of the top AI music generators currently leading the market. Starting off our list is Mubert, a cutting-edge AI platform that blends technology with creativity to revolutionize music production. It offers a seamless experience where users can input prompts or select genres and moods to generate unique tracks effortlessly. Mubert caters to those breaking away from traditional music methods and offers pricing starting at $14 per month. Next up is Soundful, another powerful AI music generator known for its simplicity and customization option. Click on Start for free and sign up. It specializes in creating royalty-free background music tailored for videos, podcasts, and more. With an intuitive interface, users can select genres and customize inputs until they find the perfect track. Soundful's pricing begins at $4.99 per month, with a free tier available. Iva follows as our third pick, having pioneered AI music composition since 2016. It excels in crafting soundtracks for diverse media, including advertisements and video game. Click on Iva allows users to generate music from scratch or modify existing compositions seamlessly, offering a range of presets and editing capabilities. It offers a free tier and plans starting at approximately $15 per month. Finally, Beatoven rounds out our list with its unique approach to simplifying music creation. Designed to cater to all skill levels, Beatoven enables users to compose mood-based original soundtracks effortlessly, without requiring deep music theory knowledge. Simply create a free account and sign up with mail. Now here you can describe about the track that you want. And then click on Compose Track. It will create tracks for you if you want to download any of that. You should buy a plan with usage-based pricing starting at $3 per minute or $6 per month for 15 minutes. Each of these AI music generators brings something unique to the table. Whether you're a content creator, musician, or business looking to elevate your projects with customized music, these tools not only streamline music production, but also enhance creative possibilities across various multimedia platforms. Finally, our last topic of the day in the AI voice technologies. Popular voice AI assistants like Siri, Apple, Alexa, and Google Assistant, Google, have revolutionized the way users interact with technology through natural language processing and artificial intelligence. These assistants are integrated into various devices such as smartphones, smart speakers, and other smart home devices, offering a wide range of capabilities. They can perform different tasks for the ease of user. There is another era of AI voice technologies where we can turn any text into voice. So let's discuss the top softwares of AI voice generators. Starting with our first tool, Plate provides a user-friendly experience. Simply click on Create Audio, select one of them. Let's continue by clicking on this. Here you can choose various voices by age, gender, or accent. Simply input your text, select your preferences, and generate your voiceover instantly. The free version lets you generate voiceovers for up to 12,500 characters, with paid plans offering extended features. Moving on to 11 Labs, this tool specializes in generating high-quality voiceovers. First, open the website, then log in with your Gmail. That's the interface of the 11 Labs. Write the script or text in this bar. Next, there are some voice models. You can choose any of them. After choosing, go to Settings and check the stability and similarity of the voice according to your project. After all the settings, click on Generate Speech, and it will create your speech within seconds. Let's listen it.
Convert your any text into speech.
Seem good. For download, just click on this icon, and the voice will be downloaded into your computer. Next, Lovo.ai stands out for its ultra-realistic voiceovers. It offers a seamless process where you select an AI voice, input your text, and receive a lifelike voiceover. Sign up for free and choose the options accordingly. Here you can change the voiceover models by gender and age. Put your text here and click on Generate. Within a few seconds, it creates your voice. Lovo.ai is a paid tool, ensuring top-notch quality for professional projects. So, if you want to dual-load, you should. The plan first. Now, our next platform is TTS Open AI. Let's explore this. Here is the interface of the software. Write down your text here. Now, here are some OpenAI voices. You can hear these by clicking here.
The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. This simple fact has... In the heart of the city, there is a large park where people go to relax and enjoy nature. The park has... The library is a quiet and peaceful...
These are some system voices. You can filter it by gender, age, and accent. Choose what you want and click on Create Speech. It took a few seconds to create. Go to History and download your voice by clicking on these 3 dots and download. Lastly, Well Said Labs rounds up our list with its diverse range of AI voices and styles. You can experiment with different voices to find the perfect match for your project. Start with a new project, put down the information and select the current version, and create project. You can select your voice from here. Enter the text and create the single take. For downloads, you should buy a plan first. Its pricing plan starts from $49. Finally, we cover all the topics. In today's exploration of AI music and voice technologies, we've unveiled a wealth of tools that can transform your creative endeavors. Whether you're a content creator, musician, or enthusiast, these tools promise to elevate your projects with unparalleled creativity and efficiency. Hope you all liked the video, subscribe for more insights, and let's innovate together in the world of AI-driven creativity. See you in the next video.